Look, chat. Tito is not gonna spawn again. Woo! Tito. Cuenta, what?
Hey,
Tito,
chat, don't worry, I'm there.
Hey, Tito, you say Cam playing Kosraean?
No, Gate Cross.
Where is that? Manila? Check Cross, you playing Kosraean? Eh? Oh, this guy using the free Wi-Fi, huh? The public community shit. Shit. You ain't playing, bro.
J Cross, tell him, bro. He's for shine, bro.
Hey, to the dock, Cat Marina, sir.
Hey, we separating, guys. Come on.
Jeez.
If you go
relocate, come over here, bro.
What? Relocate?
Well done.
Good sniper over here, Tito. Good sniper. One landed up there, Tito. It's a free kill.
Where?
Oh, I ain't gonna say shit, bro. Right here. See that? You run away like a little bitch all the way here.
Damn, bro. Call your boy.
You stupid as a motherfucker, bro. You cannot get that, you stupid. Chat, do you see how stupid he is?
Hey, where you guys at? Come over here.
Hey, I got multiples on my location, sir.
We'll go over there. Big Crow.
Yeah, it's right on there.
One on the bottom. You thought nobody see you, you little bitch? You thought nobody see you?
Good.
Another one on top, Cam. And one on me. You little bitch. Stop shooting at my partner, you little bitch. Another one on top, Cam, on our building. Right in me. Motherfucker die. Another one. Another motherfucker die.
You did that.
Know what I'm saying? Don't come over here, you're gonna die, motherfucker. Nah, they hear me. Another one on me. Bottom. You thought we cannot hear you, you little fuck? People on Cammy, right here. Or whatever the fuck that building called. Shut the fuck up, you died twice, nigga. Oh, he's on me.
Shut the fuck up, stop playing with that.
Ah, fuck you, motherfucker. He talk shit, bro. You lucky, bitch. It's still there in the same area, bro. Kill him, bro. Kill that motherfucker. Oh, ain't no way. You suck, doppelbanger.
Oh, damn. Left and right.
Damn. Ooh. That's fight. We suck, man. They're on the Lodi. The Lodi's kind of hot. They're around the corner in it. Down, down! Down like a little bitch, you fuck!
He pushed me,
Hey, you know I'm pushing you, motherfucker.
Hello, bro. What the fuck?
Down like a little bitch. Talking about, he pushed me, he pushed me, he pushed me, he pushed me. Bitch, your teammate gonna die too. You lost. Oh fuck, bro. Yeah, yeah, good. That MP4.
Oh, you lucky your friend got. Your bright ass would have been lit.
Hey, go. Shh. It's on, Chandil. Go ride bicycle only over there.
Jojo.
Hey, only over there. No go over there. No go over there. Only there, okay? Yeah, go bring out bicycle. Outside.
Mark him, bro. Mark him.
Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done.
Yeah.
They're on the
Hey,
building.
open the door. Don't close the door.
They're about to load out, bro.
Yep.
Hey, die so I can buy you or something, Checo. Never mind then, bro. I ran out of money.
UAV overhead.
Oh, damn. He's on the roof. He's on the roof now. He's back
Is he
there.
right in the building?
Yes!
Hey, come on, chat. Watch out, bro.
Man, I got the most speed already. I ain't tripping, man.
Hey, what happened, chat?
I try to let my kids go outside and play.
He's chat.
Bicycle.
LOL.
That jet van. Oh wow! I said.
Your squad made it to the safe zone. Enemy UAV overhead. Fire sales over. Adjusting prices.
Damn, they're coming, get ready, bro. They're upstairs. No, downstairs, I mean.
No more second chance. Your squad mate's back on station. Good work.
They're downstairs, bro.
Oh shit.
Hey, give him up.
Snug
Yo.
up top.
Five squads still operational.
Oh.
We lost that one.
Watch out the dog, okay? Fucking chat pen. Fuck you, Call of Duty. Fucking keep me chat pen all the time, motherfucker. You know why? You know why? Because this game belongs to little kids. Why they do keep doing this shit? Because there's a lot of kids paying more than adults. Because they have 80% of kids paying Call of Duty more than fucking 20% of fucking adult, bro. You guys gotta buy this shit, man. That's why they do this shit.
Just change your shit, bro.
No, watch out the fucking stupid dog in our neighborhood. The fucking owner is stupid. Huh? Oh, Tommy, it's okay. Let me say hi. I'm talking about the one over there. Look, the one far over there. Not our neighbor over there. Watch out, okay?
This guy got a dog with you, bro. How'd you get an animal with you, bro? Let me know.
I have a dog. I'm talking about my
I need
neighbor
it.
far away. I have a dog that is aggressive.
Oh. I'm talking about the game, bro.
Oh, you better watch out, man.
Bro, I'm trying to get a giraffe.
Crazy.
So I can stand up that nigga and fucking snipe. Hey Cam, now you talking, you fucker. This guy not talking because he got 18 kills, bro. Nah.
Sometimes you want to focus and get your kills.
Say, get up. Watch, bro.
Hey, just only here. Don't go that way. If you're getting cold, you put your jacket on. That is too cold. Put your jacket. Yeah, go ahead. Come on. Hey, no run.
All stations, we are green to go. Stand by for deployment.
Where are we going? Market, guys. guy like to stream and he's chat fast. That's insane, bro.
Hack any contracts you find and divert those payments. Couple of contracts out there have increased payouts. Get to them first to cash out. Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done. We're returning you to the front. Earn this. Your squad mate back on station.
Shoot that motherfucker. There we go. Oh damn, he's on the roof. Like a loser. He's on top of you though. Good shit.
Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done.
Good shit, Cam. He's still on top of you, bro. Bitch ass. Let's go down there, bro. He's over here on top. Damn, bro.
He waiting. He's waiting.
He is.
No
5 kills. We've got 10 squads active in the field. Stand by for redeployment.
Choke on that, boy. Still up there.
Moving in.
Damn.
What the fuck is on the road jumping up?
Sniper.
You wanna cry?
You're back on the station. Go get after it.
Oh,
Jesus, dog.
Loadout drop inbound.
Where they at, bro? Oh, they're over there.
motherfucker on the roof.
Not far enough.
He's scared, bro.
Target of opportunity acquired. Weapons free.
Damn.
You have reinforcements inbound.
Bro, they just following you, bro.
Fuck it.
I'm gonna load out.
LCR inbound. Target's gone dark. Looks like someone else claimed it blind. Clear another target during contact line.
Where you guys at?
Station. Go get
Tranqui.
Oops, sorry.
Enemy sniper!
Where they at?
Rifle redeployment.
Still on the roof.
Enemy counter UAV inbound. Enemy's got a sentry online.
Oh, they're over there, bro.
All squad mates are in the safe zone. Gas is closing in.
Go over here, bro. Two of them.
Contract failed. Objective lost.
What the fuck? Nigga come with a knife, bro.
Behind you. What the thing is, bro.
Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done.
Oh, that loadout, bro.
Enemy UAV is online. Enemy sentry is active.
Damn.
Fuck your chance on that one. Target's down. Special orders rescinded. Resume normal operations.
You like that gun, huh?
Your squad mates back on station. Good work.
They're still over there.
No.
Buy fair active. Buy station prices have been reduced.
What are they at?
25 remain.
Like, push the house.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Push them.
Enemy UAV is online. Enemy's got a sentry
Yeah.
online.
Upstairs. Nade.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Whatever.
Oh, shit.
Resurgence is about to end. Make it count. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
J-Cos, hop in here.
You're upstairs or what?
Yep.
Enemy UAV is online.
You saw it, bro.
Move it.
I hear one.
Safety, soldier.
Yeah,
I was upstairs.
Upstairs.
Again.
The right one, just land.
Fire sales done. Prices are back to normal.
Watch out.
Another chance. Weapons free.
Damn. Fucking silly. They're all on
Go
this
there,
side.
bro.
All on the right. One at the lower,
Been deactivated. This is the end game.
the bullshit.
The buy
thing.
station.
Yes. He's bending down trying to suck the bison.
Oh my god.
Oh.
You were 1 of 25 remaining. Defeat is only a milestone. Shake it off and keep it.
house wasn't like this.